Ferrari edition V1R. Finally got this stand from one of the dealer here. This is my V1R bike, size 45. This is 2017 model. This is the team bike of Gazprom way back Tour de France. This bike is collaborated by Ferrari, Colnago, and Ferrari. Using Super Record 11 speed, STI, and group set. So using a battle cage zip, 2 pieces, and Super Record cranks 172.5. The arm. Front D is the Super Record, and Super Record as well. Using a Bora Ultra 2 tubular 50mm with Continental Competition tires 25mm. Using a Physic R1 carbon rail, and this one is Sitfos from C64 Colnago. It fits, same mounting. You can see the B1R on the seat post clamp, and you can see Ernesto Colnago signature, and it's a UCI certified bike frame. Using a Deda Superleggera RS stem 100mm, and drop bar is 40mm center to center. There. It's a straight Campagnolo Super Record 11. I'm using the bike stand. This is already rare. I got it from the bike dealer here with Colnago. I'm using this bar tape. This Rafa RCC edition. There. As you can see, there's a Ferrari logo both sides. This is the front view. Also, the caliper is a direct mount caliper. Also have a Colnago. Comment down below, guys, if you have any suggestion, or maybe I can add up some more detail or some more parts on the bike. It will be much appreciated. Hope you like my bike, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and to my channel, also to hit the notification button. I'm going to have a new parts coming, but I'm still waiting. Stay tuned. Thank you, guys. Bye.